In this era, the automation landscape has narrowed to two real titans: ActiveCampaign for deep, flexible automations, and HubSpot for unified CRM-driven marketing plus sales alignment. ActiveCampaign wins if you need advanced logic, multi-branch sequences, tagging systems, micro-segmentation, and complex behavior-based journeys at a lower cost. It's the strongest choice for small businesses, solo operators, or digital entrepreneurs who want precision control. HubSpot wins if you want everything centralized: CRM, conversations, sales, pipeline, emails, forms, attribution, ads, content tracking, and reporting, all talking to each other. HubSpot's updates make it elite for scaling teams, B2B companies, and businesses that rely heavily on sales teams or high-ticket pipelines. Simple rule: ActiveCampaign equals depth of automation, HubSpot equals depth of data plus revenue visibility. If you want custom logic at a great price, choose ActiveCampaign. If you want real-time ROI tracking and unified growth platform, HubSpot beats everyone. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.